Uniswap price eyes higher high. Uniswap price tagged the $16.72 support level thrice between December 26 and 31, 2021, creating the triple bottom pattern. This technical formation is a reversal setup and indicates the start of an uptrend. However, due to the January 5 flash crash, Uniswap price swept below $16.72, collecting the sell stop liquidity resting below it. Market makers employ this move to engineer liquidity before kickstarting a new uptrend. In this 30% rally, Uni will face the first hurdle, 50-day simple moving average, SMA, at $17.98. The bulls need to overcome this blockade to reach the $19.94 resistance barrier, where Uniswap price set up a double top. In some cases, the altcoin could retest the said barrier or sweep above it to collect the liquidity. While things are looking up for Uniswap price, a failure to stay above the $16.72 support level will indicate a weak buying pressure. Such a development could lead Uni to retest the $16.07 barrier, where bulls can make another comeback. However, a 4-hour candlestick close below $16.07 will create a lower low, invalidating the bullish thesis. In this case, Uniswap price could slide lower and potentially retest the $13.88 barrier.